Have you ever wondered why elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, have such long noses? Well, let me tell you, this isn't just any nose. This is a trunk, an extraordinary appendage that serves a multitude of purposes. An elephant's trunk is an evolution marvel, a unique combination of the nose and upper lip. It's their most versatile tool, used for various tasks from the mundane to the extraordinary. Imagine having an arm growing out of your face. That's essentially what an elephant's trunk is. It's a super sniffer, capable of detecting water sources miles away. It's a hand, used to delicately pick up tiny objects or to uproot trees. It's a straw, used to suck up water and then spray it into the elephant's mouth. It's a social instrument, used to caress, greet, and even comfort fellow elephants. Quite fascinating, isn't it? But that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the marvels of these gentle giants. You've probably heard the phrase, "an elephant never forgets." But is it just a saying, or is there some truth to it? Let's dive into the fascinating world of elephant memory. These majestic creatures have been found to possess an exceptional ability to remember. Studies have shown that elephants can recall routes to watering holes over vast distances and extended periods of time. Can you imagine remembering the way to your favorite restaurant if you visited it only once a year? That's the kind of memory we're talking about. Not only that, but elephants also have a knack for recognizing and remembering other elephants and even humans for years. It's as if they have their own social media network in their minds, keeping track of who's who in the elephant world. So next time you hear someone say, "an elephant never forgets," you'll know there's more fact than fiction to that statement. Scene script. You might think elephants communicate just by trumpeting, but what if we told you there's more to it? Indeed, elephants, those gentle giants we so admire, have a unique and complex communication system. It's not just about those loud trumpets we associate with them. Their communication is multifaceted, involving an intricate mix of sounds, touch, and even seismic signals. Let's dive into the fascinating world of elephant talk. Apart from trumpeting, elephants use a range of sounds, from low-frequency rumbles to high-frequency squeaks, to interact with each other. These sounds can carry over long distances, allowing them to communicate with herd members miles away. But elephants don't just stop at sounds. They also use touch as a vital part of their communication. Embracing, entwining trunks, even gentle nudges. These are all ways elephants express camaraderie and unity within the herd. And here's where it gets even more intriguing. Elephants also use seismic signals for communication. That's right. They can sense vibrations through their highly sensitive feet and trunks, interpreting these signals to understand messages from other elephants. And what are they expressing? Well, elephants are deeply emotional creatures. They convey a range of feelings like joy, anger, and even grief. They celebrate births, mourn their dead, and even display empathy, a trait previously thought to be uniquely human. Elephants truly have a language of their own, don't they? Did you know that elephants are a keystone species? Yes, indeed. These majestic creatures play a vital role in shaping the landscapes they inhabit, and their impact extends far beyond their immediate surroundings. Let's take a closer look at their feeding habits. Elephants are voracious eaters, consuming hundreds of pounds of vegetation daily. This constant feeding helps to control the vegetation, allowing for a balance of plant life in the ecosystem. It's not just about what they eat, but also what they leave behind. Elephant dung, believe it or not, is a hot commodity in the animal kingdom. It serves as a food source for a variety of insects and as a breeding ground for beetles. But wait, there's more. Elephants are also the unsung heroes of seed dispersal. As they roam and feed, they scatter seeds in their droppings, promoting plant growth and diversity across vast distances. In fact, some plants depend entirely on elephants for their propagation. Their influence doesn't stop at the plant level. The paths elephants tread in their daily wanderings create routes for smaller animals, making them the inadvertent engineers of the animal world. In essence, elephants are the lifeblood of their ecosystems, contributing to its diversity and balance. Without elephants, their ecosystems would be vastly different and potentially less diverse. In the past few minutes, we've explored some fascinating aspects of elephant life. We've plunged into their enigmatic world, marveled at their exceptional memory, and been awed by their intricate communication. We've also acknowledged the pivotal role they play in their ecosystems, shaping the landscape and supporting biodiversity. Elephants, with their unique features and intriguing characteristics, truly are beings that capture our curiosity and admiration. Elephants are indeed remarkable creatures, aren't they? Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, stay curious.